Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you when is the Spotify Wrapped coming out in 2024. Many people were saying that it's gonna come out on the October 31st, but Spotify did say that it's a rumor and that is not happening. If we look at the previous years, in 2018 it was Thursday, December 5. 2019 was also a Thursday, December 5, and then it was a December 1, November 30, and then last year 2023 it was also November 30. So it is speculated that it should come around either November 29, like 28 to 29 to 30. These three dates are tentative because Spotify uh, tracks your music even in November, so we can wait for these type of periods from November 30 till December 6. That should be a tentative period, and this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.